This is your Calambas 5 Prettiest 2025.
Calambas 5 Prettiest 2025. Congratulations to all of you. Congrats! Ganito ka umaga. What I like all about is that ganito ka umaga, drain na ang utak, pero grabe ang mga pinakita nyo for all of us. Maraming salamat and I'm really so proud of you na ang gagaling nyo sumagot. That makes me really so proud. Pag ako yung parang hindi ko nakikirihit sa gantong oras. I like you. I like the way you answered. I like the way you answered from the first round to the statement and to the last round. You really made it.
Thank you so much po.
Yeah, how are you feeling right now?
Syempre po masaya po ako kasi kasama ko po yung dalawa po dito na rest backer din po from Calambas 5 2024. Sobrang saya po talaga and to my fellow mom po, si Mami Nixie and si Mami Allen. Sobrang saya ko po talaga, hindi ko mapaliwanag.
Overflowing ang happiness for today.
Yes po.
Yeah, you are known to be a veteran here at Laguna, and now you got the Calambas 5, one of the Calambas 5 Prettiest. That is, you're longing for kahit noon pa daw.
Yes, ma'am. Correct po, Ate Tenten.
And now you got it. The question is now, are you still gonna be joining pageants? Because that's your passion, di ba? That's your passion. Or are you gonna be stopping now?
I really can't answer that question right away. Kasi Ate Tenten, joining pageants is my first love. I really love joining pageant. As you can see, even though I'm not that fit, I still love to join pageant.
You still fit? Di ba kaya nga may corona, di ba? Mayroon kang golden crown right there because you really are a queen. But not only for today, but all throughout the years, di ba?
Thank you, Ate Tenten. Thank you so much po.
Yeah. I saw you last year, di ba? Nandun na last year and now you got the top crown. Di ba? Grabe yung iyak mo kanina.
And I'm very emotional po kanina when I was announced as one of the winners of Calambas 5 Prettiest because I know how I really wanted this and I consider this as my biggest redemption from the failure that I got last year. I am here now. Going back stronger. Naniniwala po kasi ako sa isang Bible verse na Isaiah 60:30 na when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. And I believe that this is the right time.
This is your night.
Yes,
this is your time, this is your night. Of course, knowing you, maraming na tayo mga pinanood at pinagsaman. What do you think made you win? Kasi napakadami yung candidates of mga 20 plus and now you are one of the, di ba, one of the Calambas 5 Prettiest.
Ayun nga po, sabi nga po ni Mikey, ng aking fellow sisters last year, talagang biggest revenge namin to kasi we badly need this crown. Kasi po, last year, galing na po kami sa emotional heartbreak. So ngayon, ginawa na po namin yung best namin para makuha po namin yung inaasam namin corona sa Calambas 5.
Parang this is already a statement for each and every one of you. The crown of being held as one of the Calambas 5 Prettiest.
It's been a legacy po. It's been a Calambas 5 Prettiest po kasi it's been a legacy not only here in Calamba but especially to the hearts of the LGBTQIA+ people. So to be part of it, it is not just a one-night victory of being part of the legacy of Calambas 5 Prettiest, but just like what Miss A said po kanina po yung host po natin na it's gonna be a long life part of your life to become part of Calambas 5 Prettiest.
Meaning, markado na ito para sa inyong lahat here. What I like about it is that you just make it smooth, laro mo lang sila, but still you got the crowd.
Kasi Mami Tenten, for my almost 7 years being ang event host po kasi syempre napupuko ko talaga ang atensyon ng bawat tao sa pag-uwi ng pagsalita ko kaya siguro ay na din yung naging edge ko kaya ako nanalo ngayon. Naging playtime pa nga yung sagot ko kanina, di ba? Kahit naman ikaw magagalit ka pag sinabi ko, pag tatanungin ko ang Diyos, no reply kasi di naman nagsasalita. Magagalit ka kung ikaw talagang Catholic na sumasamba sa Panginoon, magagalit ka. Pero maraming salamat pa rin sa Judge na intindihan na napakatotoo lang ako sa aking kasagutan.
Heartfelt naman siya at genuine, di ba? Aside from that, yung backstory mo, it was really a very heartfelt one. Siyempre, hindi natin palalagpasin ang ating, siyempre, the one and only, Raja J. Mart right here. Siyempre, Raja J. Mart, are you very much happy and contented sa rosters mo ng mga winners ngayon?
Actually, yes. Masaya ako kasi sila din yung parang sabi ko sana sila yung makakuha kasi mga kambak ko sila eh. Tsaka dalawang beses sila nagtiwala sa event ko. So, sabi ko sana, kumbaga, may plus factor na talaga na sana sila yung makakuha ng crown talaga.
I would like to also to commend you sa na mga aside from the rhinoplasty and veneers na hindi yan nakukuha in any pageants. Ang nakakahanga dito is that giving 290,000 worth of prizes. Grabe yon.
Actually, totoo po yun. Bali, lahat po yan, kumbaga, naka-blank lang yung ano ko, lahat yan. Actually, meron kaming kasi yung mga mapapanalunan nila is kailangan ipangalan sa kanila lahat. So, after nito, siguro matulog, mga hapon, kasi alam na ng chef ko, papatawag ko silang 5 kasi may pakabuhayan tayo, may frozen goods tayo. Yes! Iyaano natin yon kasi lahat yung nakapangalan, even yung resort na overnight natin, is kailangan ipapangalan natin lahat. So, babalik kayo sa akin bukas lahat. Siguro matulong lang tayo, kahit mga paggabi, basta kayo 5, alam nyo naman yung chef ko, kasi lahat po yung, even yung veneers po, actually yung veneers, pwede na nilang, kung gusto nilang pumunta agad, pwede na makukuha na nila kasi hinihintay na sila ni Doc talaga doon.
Tatak Fearless Passion. So next year, it will be a super blast, di ba?
Yes.
Mas kakabugin pa ang 2025 Columbus 5 Prettiest. Again, congratulations, J-Mark, for the nice event. And also congratulations to the queens of Columbus 5 Prettiest. Mabuhay ang LGBT ng Laguna.